Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello, Claire at French in the Midlands here. Today's video is about when to use savoir or connaître. They both mean to know in French. Let's have a look. First of all, let's have a look at savoir. It means two things. One, to know a fact. For instance, je ne sais pas si ils arrivent aujourd'hui ou demain. I don't know whether they're coming today or tomorrow. Or you could say, je le sais. I know it, or I know that. And the second meaning of savoir is to know how to do something. So when you say in French, je sais nager, it means I can swim. We wouldn't use the word can for that because can is whether something's preventing you or not, but savoir is whether you know how to do it. You could also say, je sais comment ouvrir la boîte. I know how to open the box. So to know a fact and to know how to do something is savoir. Connaître also means two things. First, to know a person. For instance, je connais ton frère. I know your brother. Il me connaît. He knows me. Or, as we say in French, he me knows. And secondly, it's to know a place. Il ne connaît pas Paris. He doesn't know Paris. Or again, on connaît bien ce restaurant. We know this restaurant well. So connaître for a person or a place. If this is too difficult for you to remember, here's a little memory trick for you. Savoir is usually followed by a sentence. Example, je sais qu'elle vient demain. I know that she's coming tomorrow. Connaître is usually followed by a noun. Elle ne connaît pas l'Angleterre. She doesn't know England. So connaître, followed by a noun, savoir, followed by a sentence. I hope that makes it clearer for you. That's it for now. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Comment below if you have any questions. Get to frenchinthemidlands.com for any ebooks or courses, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.